Pineapples. Like that. That's the plan right there. I want to stick the pineapple to the faceplate. Surprisingly enough, I actually have some experience attaching food to the faceplate with resin. William Osmond and I attached a couple of artichokes to a faceplate and turned them on the lathe. Artichokes are a lot lighter than pineapples. I guess that should definitely be noted. So we're going to be using fast cast urethane resin. It's a 2-part resin that cures in about 20 minutes, which is good for this. If I wait longer than 20 minutes, then I'll probably back out of this idea. It is equal parts by volume. I don't know how much I'm going to need. I'm going to start with 4 ounces. So we'll do 2 ounces of part A and 2 ounces of part B. And then from this point on, we have around 10 minutes before the resin hardens. And urethane resin is extremely susceptible to moisture, which ought to be interesting because, well, they're fresh pineapples. My gosh, it's like waiting for your microwave. This is the fastest setting resin in my shop, and I'm still super anxious about this. I picked a pineapple at random. I've got 3 nice looking pineapples. Anyone who gives me garbage about wasting food, you're pineapple prejudice, because people are doing it with pumpkins all freaking month. This is pineapple equality. I'm wasting less food than most people waste with pumpkins. I think we are ready. Apologize for the camera work that's going to happen because everything just kind of moves quickly. I'm going to turn it on. Guess I'll pick a carbide tool for this. We're turning a pineapple because we're crazy people. I'm really glad I put that plastic up.
It smells delicious.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
You just come out to, what, see the carnage? I think we can turn up the speed now. Oh my gosh. What the actual heck? Halloween pineapple though, baby, it's a breeze. You want to give this a shot?
Sure. I've never turned on the lathe. Okay.
Push down on the tool rest and then lightly push into the pineapple on the side closest to you.
Oh.
And now just push cross a ways across that little nubbin right there. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
You did good.
Thank you.
What do you think?
Oh, pineapple turner. You should show your arm.
Oh.
That's nasty.
Look at that. Doesn't even look like we touched it. It's fine. That's pretty gross. Cool. So yeah, look at that. You can totally turn a pineapple. And since it wasn't perfectly symmetrical, there was actually a little bit of wall over here. And if I just kind of squeeze that, some of the juice goes down inside. Who's going to dare me to take a sip of that? Cheers. Oh, that's delicious. Yeah, it's delicious. I think I see little bits in there. Sure, that's fine, right? Oh, that's so refreshing. All right, who's going to clean up this mess?
Bye.
Hey.